Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this nice question from arithmetic progression. So you're told, find the 956th term of the AP, and the AP is 156, 140, 124, 108, and so on and so forth. So you are required to find the 956th term. So that is just the nth term. So we use the formula for the nth term, and for an AP, the nth term can be obtained by taking a plus in bracket n minus 1 times d. So we need to identify a, n, and d. So a is normally the first term. In this case, that first term is 156. Then n is the number that we're looking for. In this case, that is 956. So it means that n is 956 because we're looking for the 956th term. Then d is the common difference. It can be obtained by subtracting a particular term from the next term. So in this case, we can even take 140 minus 156, and we are going to see that that is the same as negative 16. So now the 956th term, so let us just write 956th term will be a, and a is 156, a plus in bracket n, and n is 956 minus 1 times d, and d is minus 16. So we have 156 plus 956 minus 1 is 954. Not 954, but 955. So we have 955 times negative 16. So that you have 156. 955 times negative 16 should give you 15280. So it will be negative 15280. So when you get that difference, you're going to see that it is negative 151.24 as the 956th term. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, kindly subscribe.